everyone, welcome back to my so as you can see, it's a little dark under here. Don't mind that, okay? I always watch my videos and be like, dang, why is it so dark under there? Mostly because I have like fallout, and you see I don't have foundation on. So for today's video, we are going to do a first impressions. Well, it's more of a review, only because I did wear this foundation once, and I'm just gonna tell y'all how I feel about the foundation. My curls are not popping today. I'm also gonna do a first impressions on this new lip company that sent me 2 of their lipsticks. It's called Winnie Beau. B-E-A-U spells bow, right? Beau. Boo. Winnie Beau?
Oh.
Heard it right? I said it right first. Beau.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Okay, so it's Beau. Y'all seen that, y'all already know I'm about to talk about that Landy and Laurel video. Honestly, when I listened to it, the first time I listened to it, I was getting Henry. I was getting a whole different word than the words that they were saying. But now that I listen to it, I'm getting Yandy. But I think that's only because, you know, I honestly think with the brain, when you look at a word, that's what you interpret. So the first word that I looked at was Yandy, and that's the word that was processing in my head. So we're going to be testing out some products. As you can see, I got a box from Influenster, and if you don't know what Influencer is, I'll leave the link in the description box below of that video that tells you everything you want to know about Influencer. I've received many boxes from them, and basically these boxes are free product. They're not sample product, they are the full size product. So if you want free makeup, like I always say, sign up. It's free. All you have to do is sign up, put your you have to have like a social media following, but it doesn't have to be a big following. It can be like 200 followers. They will send you free stuff to test out. You just have to follow the instructions on how they want you to review the product. That is it. Okay? I will leave that link in the description box. I also have a link where you can sign up for the program, and you can just use my little link or whatever. But yeah, free product. So today's foundation we're gonna try is the Cover FX Power Play. So it's the Cover FX Matte, the Cover FX Modern Matte Foundation Power Play All Day Wear Weightless. There you go. So this is the foundation. Introducing Power Play Sweat, Shine, Creases, Water, Oil. Sweat, shine, creases, water, oil. We've got it all covered. So go on, get out there and play to your own set of rules. After all, being true to what makes you you. That's the ultimate power play. So it says it is true to color, weightless, full coverage foundation, modern matte finish, waterproof, sweat-proof, transfer-proof, and environmental protection. That is great. Environmental protection for a foundation, that means it protects your skin from all the pollution going on in this world. Not only did I get the liquid foundation, I also got the setting powder. So they say, I'm telling you, I know, look, I know what you was thinking when you was like, they sent you 2 things? Girl, yes. The perfect setting powder is an innovative talc-free, universally flattering translucent powder that sets makeup and creates an airbrush finish by redefining and softening the appearance of skin without drying. It's 100% talc-free powder perfection, ultra translucent, and has a blurring finish, sets for all day wear, and it gives 0 flashback. So we're gonna put this foundation to the test. Okay, so this is the foundation. The number I got was N90, and it comes in a little bottle like this. This is plastic, so if you drop it, it won't break, which I think it's, you know, good if you're traveling a lot. So it comes with 1.18 fluid ounces. And like I said, I'm in the shade 9 or N90. So we're just gonna shake this bad boy up. And I already have my face primed and everything. And what I'm gonna do for today's video is we're gonna try to buff out the foundation with 2 different brush applicators. So I already have my Real Technique sponge, and then I'm gonna use this Bedelum, or it's Delum Tools brush in 957. I've had this brush for such a long time. This is what it looks like. It's like a flat kabuki brush, and it really, and I used to love this thing, literally love this thing, but I'm always like testing out different things, so it's kind of like I neglect what I already have. But then however I'm feeling, either for a month or like 2 months, I typically go back to what I was using. And it looks like a little paint canister thing where it has like the little top, or like glitter. You know the little glitter, arts and crafts glitter? It has that type of top. Okay, so we're gonna buff out first with this guy. And I'm just going to pat this around. And this does dry down like kind of quick, because as you can see, it's like already drying down. So this is what it looks like with this brush. You see, it still gives you a flawless finish. This foundation in particular is very buildable. So it's a full coverage foundation, but it's liquid. So it's not like thick. It's runny, but it's not too runny. This thing dries down super quick. Once it sets on the skin, you need to move quickly, honey. Okay, so this is the foundation on. Both sides really look flawless. Full coverage, as you can see, and it's a matte finish. Like, it's more so like a satin matte finish, because it doesn't look dry, but you can tell that it's matte. Honestly, I'm always a big fan of the beauty sponges, but as you can see, this brush did the justice for this side, and it still gives you like an airbrush finish, which y'all know I'm a big fan of. Now the thing about, I'm just going to give you the disclaimer now, the thing about this powder is it's way too dark for a translucent powder. It's way too dark for it to be setting my face, because we're just 2 different skin tones, okay? So I'm going to use this as a contour powder instead. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to come back and have my face all the way complete, just set for the highlight and the lip. And then we're going to contour and do all that jazz. Okay. So we are going to contour. Now the powder that they sent me was Translucent Deep. And you would think this would work because the Laura Mercier powder is medium. Well, it's medium deep. But you would think it would work because I'm of a darker skin tone. However, this gets darker once you put it on the face. Because I tried to set this under my eyes, and when I tell you, it was way too dark. I just opened the thing, and what I like about this is that it has a cover on top. Meaning, this won't spill everywhere. Like, it won't spill in the cap. It won't do none of that. So, it has a lever right here, and I'm just going to pop this open like so that it doesn't spill. So I'm just going to take my NYX Professional Makeup brush, and this is in the number 5, and I'm going to tap off the excess, because you see how dark that is. Going to contour. You see how dark it gets. So just imagine putting this under your eyes. Exactly. I got a new setting spray. I know. I didn't neglect the Mario Badescu. I did not. However, I'm going to be testing out the Skindinavia. They sent me, well, I purchased 2 of the big ones, but then they sent me 2 free little sample sizes, so I just grabbed the little sample size. And I got the makeup finishing spray and the priming spray. And I sprayed that on my face before I put all my makeup on and stuff. So we're going to test this out. And this has like a cooling finish, which is perfect. Because you know when you put makeup on and you really hot and you just need something to cool you down? This is that. This is the setting spray that you need. I'll leave the link of the website right up in here so y'all can go look it up. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the lips. So the two colors they sent me were, well, for starters, these are actually from London. So they sent them all the way to London. I've had these for a while and I'm just now getting to them, so I hope they don't hate me. Okay. They are based out of the UK. They are a lipstick company. And they do have a website. Let's click on the website. Make sure you follow them on Instagram as well. So these are their liquid matte lipsticks, and it comes in a little case like this. And it is, how many fluid ounces display this? So the first one that they sent me was Willow, and they said it's a luxury lightweight matte liquid lipstick, rich and intense in color. It is extremely long lasting and 100% non-transferable. Okay, we're gonna test it out. So I'm gonna zoom y'all in so we can get up close and personal. So the first one that they sent me was Willow, and it looks like this. And it's like a nice like fuchsia color. It's definitely not gonna go with this look. It is nice and creamy. Kind of smells like cherries a little bit. But this is the color right here, and it is creamy. It feels soft, and it definitely is lightweight. It has a doe foot applicator like so. So this is what, with one dip into the lip product, I'm gonna dip it in again. And as you can see, it's like super pigmented, like super. And it doesn't feel drying yet. And it definitely is lightweight, hands down. And as you can see, you know what most like purpley berry color lips, it's so hard to get up in this area without it like transferring. You see it, you see it. It's really pretty. Like, I hate berry colors, I really do, because they never look good on me. But this one, girl, this one is cute. Okay, Winnie Beau, come through. Okay, so the next color we're trying out is Nubian. And it's like a nude color, like a pinky nude. So I'm 100% sure that I'm gonna need a lip liner for this one. But we're gonna test it without a lip liner first. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is a lip gloss. It's not a matte lipstick. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to go on top of something. So this is it without the lip liner. I'm going to put a lip liner on because as you can see, it's a gloss. It's a very sheer gloss, so this is definitely supposed to go on top of something, but we're just going to use it as is. So this is the gloss. I think this would definitely look really good on top of something, but as is, I mean, it's cool as is, but if you're looking for that like pow, like very opaque lip gloss, this probably won't be your best bet. I do like it and it smells really, really good. Okay. So I do like these lipsticks. Go shop on their website. They are very affordable. And so for a foundation, A+. Like by all means, this foundation is thebomb.com. Definitely go out and purchase it. This retails for I think 40 something This retails for $44, this just alone, but I believe that it's well worth it. As far as the powder goes, if it was in my shade, I think we would have better luck in knowing if it was a good fit, if it helped with creasing or anything. It does do a good job in contouring my face, but I feel like the purpose of this is to set the foundation. We really didn't get that experience with this, but I'm pretty sure it's really, really good. The lipsticks, I love these lipsticks, like love. This color I didn't think would look good on me, and as you can see, it did. So definitely go out and support this lipstick brand. Don't forget about Burst Cosmetics, okay? So although I'm doing this review, Burst Cosmetics is still popping, okay? Meanwhile, we are having a 40% off sale, so don't forget. But back to these lipsticks, definitely go follow their page. Go out and purchase them. They are the bomb. That is it for this video. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.